Good morning. I'm off to work. Today's gonna be a very exciting day for me. The plan is to start running. So let me explain. This watch not only tells time, it also counts every step that I take. It counts and it tells me by the end of the day. So I always wanted to run, so now I have something that's counting the steps, and I wanted to run, so I'm going for a run. These are brand new sneakers, ready to go. One time around the block. I'm gonna do one more time. No, I didn't make it the second time around. Well, tomorrow's another day. I'm not giving up. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave comments below if you want to see any other type of video that I should make, any tips, comments. Much appreciated. Thank you. Biggie out.